good?
Alright, what's up? This is my fully built 110. Coppenstain came through with a Stage 3 suspension kit. It's got the front forks, it's got the rear shock. They also came through with the oversized foot pegs. Beautiful. I actually love how they look. I needed graphics. I hit up Backyard Designs. They came through immediately, said, yeah, we want to be part of the build. So I got these beautiful custom graphics from them. And I also have this BBR seat, which I paid for. And I also had a couple of mods of my own, like these Pro Taper grips and this gas cap vent. We're gonna tear up the yard a little bit, see how it handles. Let's go. All right. So we're on the build 110. This is my homemade track, or part of it anyway. It's coming pretty hot. Hit that berm, then hit the jump. Woo! This is the new suspension. The rear shock is also better. It's honestly kind of stiff. I don't know if I'm like bottoming out or what I'm doing, but it kind of hurts. Foot pegs are great. They're just, they should probably get sharpened. So this is where I want to build my main track. There's a lot of junk everywhere, obviously. This is gonna have to get removed to the dirt pile. So I want it to loop around here. And then I got one decent sized jump here, and I got a nice hill climb in there. If I could somehow make all of it flow together, that'd be super cool. You know, thinking back to how it was stock, it's a major improvement. It's something you don't want to do because, you know, it costs money. But then as soon as you do it, you're like, why didn't I do this sooner? I don't think I could ever ride bikes again without at least a handlebar upgrade. Like every time I hop on one of the stock fitters, it just feels so, it feels awful. And I'm not just saying this for an ad, I'm being so genuine. Big shout out to the Backyard Designs, they hooked it up. Insane graphics. Insane job from them. I actually love how they turned out. Couldn't be more happy. Move this stick real quick. The only thing, once you get the suspension upgrades, the kickstand isn't tall enough, so like it leans like crazy. Oh yeah. The rear shock, I've already said it. The rear shock is adjustable. Front forks are adjustable. I have everything set up as stiff as possible with as much rebound as possible. Fast rebound as possible, which honestly I wouldn't do that. There's two little like emulator valves for the forks. One has 2 holes, one has 4 holes, and the more holes, the faster the oil can flow through, meaning it is bouncier. I want it less bouncy. This is honestly a little bit too much. Let's go and get this real quick. Oh, there's stuff everywhere. I don't think you guys can tell, but this is actually like kind of steep. Dude, there's literally branches everywhere. All this was cleared out. Dude. There we go. The biggest thing about this now is that it's stiff. It's set up for an adult. I can have an insane amount of fun. Whereas before, you know, you could have fun, but you would bottom out literally everywhere. I already hit that big FMX ramp, but I'm kind of scared to on the pitter for some reason. I did it on the e-bike. So what's it gonna take? It's the trajectory of it. It sends you up so high. I think we just send it, honestly. I did it on the e-bike already. Shouldn't be scared. This is much more set up for me. Yeah, I'm good. I bailed midair.
Yo! Dude, I thought you were hitting the small one. Oh. What the crock?
Oh, dude, how did nothing break?
Dude.
My pants are good too. Everything's good.
Dude. Did you bail because you had to, or because you got scared?
Because I was so high. I was way too high.
I think you weren't used to the power, because like
I think so.
Because on the e-bike, you have to like floor it on the ramp, and
Yeah.
here it's the dirt. This thing just rips through the dirt.
I hope Dad didn't see it because he told me earlier today, he's like, don't kill yourself, guys, with the new ramp. And I was like, oh, we're not going to jump it.
Dude, that was hilarious.
So that'll be the end of the video, guys. As you can see, my bike is down. It's still in perfect condition, but I'm going to call it here. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.